Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business packaging concept using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place the flat packaging design. I pause because packaging builds first trust. I convert the box into a 3D shape. The 3D Workspace opens. I rotate the package gently. I adjust depth for realism. Business packaging must look strong on shelves. I add controlled lighting from the top. I zoom in to inspect folds. I zoom out to feel presence. The package now feels real and sellable. 3D Workspace